Fulvous-breasted woodpecker. Scientific name Dendrocopus massei. Bangla naam Batabi kaththokra. Fulvous-breasted woodpecker is a medium-sized pied woodpecker. Upper parts black, heavily barred white, undertail red, breast and belly buff with light flank barring and slight side streaking. Whitish cheeks partly bordered by black line, crown red in male with orange forehead, black in female. It is found in Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, India and Myanmar. Food habits: it eats ants, a variety of other insects, larvae, small scorpions, berries and fruits. Least concern refers to abundant species widely distributed across countries.